आज एनडीए के 140वें कोर्स की पासिंग आउट परेड हो रही है। 300 से अधिक कैडेट्स एनडीए से पास हो रहे हैं। एनडीए में 3 साल के कड़े प्रशिक्षण के बाद पासिंग आउट परेड होती है। नौसेना अध्यक्ष एडमिरल करमबीर सिंह इसके समीक्षा अधिकारी हैं। तीसरी बार कोविड-19 की बंदिशों के साथ पासिंग आउट परेड हो रही है। आप देख रहे हैं पुणे से लाइव तस्वीरें। कोरोना महामारी के बीच तीसरी बार एनडीए पासिंग आउट परेड का आयोजन हो रहा है।
from 1st Battalion of the 1st Gurkha Rifles. He has been awarded Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card in the year 2014 and Commander-in-Chief Citation in the year 2021. The Drill Subedar Major served as an instructor in Indian Military Academy from 2005 to 2008 and National Defence Academy from 2011 to 2015.
As regard of the lineup of the contingents on parade, on the extreme left, we have the appointments contingent, followed by 3 junior, 6 senior, 3 junior contingents, and at the end, we have another appointments contingent. In the center of the parade stands the Nishan Toli, proudly carrying the President's color. At the end, we have the Academy Cadet Adjutant, Vivek Kumar.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now awaiting the arrival of Rear Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, National Defence Academy. Rear Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan took over as Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, National Defence Academy on 1st of March 2021. Prior to this appointment, he was the Flag Officer commanding Eastern Fleet at Visakhapatnam. He is an alumnus of the 71st Course Lima Squadron of the National Defence Academy, Defence Services Staff College Wellington, Naval War College Mumbai and the National Defence College New Delhi. He was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 1st of January 1988 and specialized in gunnery and missile warfare in 1994. He has done challenging staff and afloat assignments including command of 5 warships, which includes Commissioning Commanding Officer of Indian Naval Ships Sayadri. His staff assignments include tenures in Directorate of Personnel, Directorate of Perspective Planning, and Assistant Chief of Naval Staff, Policy and Plans. Ladies and gentlemen, Rear Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, National Defence Academy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now awaiting the arrival of Lieutenant General Asit Mistry, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commandant, National Defence Academy. An alumnus of the 60th Course Delta Squadron of the National Defence Academy, Lieutenant General Asit Mistry was commissioned into the 12th Battalion of the Maratha Light Infantry in June 1982. He is is a graduate of Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and has undergone the prestigious Higher Command course. He has a master's degree in defence studies and also holds an MPhil degree. The general officer has varied command and staff experience. He has commanded an infantry battalion in Siachen Glacier, a mountain brigade in Upper Assam, and a counter-insurgency force in North Kashmir. He has also been the general officer commanding Delhi area, wherein he had the honor of leading 3 Republic Day parades. He has also been a team commander in National Security Guards, the elite counter-terrorist force of India. General Asad Mistry has a rich experience of United Nations peacekeeping. He has been a United Nations military observer in Liberia in 1996 to 1997 and the Deputy Force Commander in South Sudan from December 2011 to March 2014 in an extremely hostile and challenging environment. He is presently the colonel of the regiment of the Maratha Light Infantry, one of the oldest infantry regiments of the Indian Army. General Mistry has been the Commandant, National Defence Academy, Kharagpur.